Namaste everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very unique tradition we have. I'm sure all the traditions we have in India are very unique, very different from the rest of the world. But this is going to be a challenge. I'm going to challenge these techies and leading IT sector of the world. Let me give you this challenge. Go and find out how the family tree were maintained in India. Do you know that we used to have, and we still have actually, this tradition of going to a Tirth Sthan where you would have one set of Purohit who would maintain your family tree. So, आपको अगर अपने 7th generation, 8th generation backward you want to go and you find out what was the name of your ancestral family, you can find out. Can you believe this? And this is only possible in Bharat. As you know that India's time has come, we are going to lead the world in terms of knowledge, in terms of lot of places like manufacturing and trading and whatever you want to call it as. But this is something very different. If you want to lead the world, we have to lead with the knowledge, and where our knowledge comes from, our scriptures. So the whole idea of doing this video is to tell you that if you are following this tradition, wonderful. If you are not, then please go to any Tirth Sthan, which is, whichever state you belong to and wherever your ancestral family comes from. Find out where they had mentioned about their lineage, how it was mentioned. Give some donation to those Purohits, because that is how they are, that is their living. And if you don't support it, how are they going to continue this tradition? Especially those NRIs living outside India, I'm sure this generation has not even heard about this. They always go for this fancy family tree apps and websites and all, and they want to maintain it. But this is very unique to Asia, because I know in Japan and I know in China, they have this tradition and they really cherish it. They somehow have maintained it. In Bharat, it was getting maintained in this way. So why not to continue this tradition? So please do one thing. Whenever possible, you are visiting India, whenever you coming to your, whichever state you belong to, go and find out, register your name. I want this tradition to flourish. And another challenge to those database analysts and database experts, why don't you use those huge systems of database like Oracle and MS SQL and whichever you are using it to maintain the records? Give us idea, make some app out of it, do something about it, because those people are waiting to get digitized. They are ready to give you data. If you are ready to maintain and create that database for them, they are for it. So please, it's my request to all the NRIs, especially IT professionals, look into this project and please help us out, because we want this 1 billion Indian to know about their roots, know about their culture. I want them to be proud that how far they can go, like 10 generations, 20 generations. Many mutt and many traditional gurus, they know their lineage, especially the traditions which are followed by their generations. For example, Sri Vallabhacharya, which I follow, the tradition of Vallabhacharya ji is maintained by their generations and they know their lineages so well. Similarly, when I looked into the ISKCON's tradition, they know their gurus and their gurus and their gurus for like that. It goes back to 1,000 and 2,000 years. I mean, unbelievable, isn't it? So let's do this for us, for a common people. And I'm telling you, it gives them immense strength and pleasure to know that, this is how they are and where they come from, what was their professions and how they were and what were their names. So let's take up this challenge and ensure that our Bharatiya living anywhere in the world know about their ancestral names. Thank you.